Hey guys, so for breakfast this morning I have this beautiful breakfast sandwich. I left it open faced so you guys could see, and it's sitting on my planner, don't mind. I'm gonna work in my planner while I have my breakfast. But for my breakfast sandwich I have an English muffin from Walmart. It's just the Great Value brand. I have one of their turkey sausage patties. It's like the fully cooked sausage. I just heat it up on a pan. I have one egg in there and a slice of Velveeta cheese. It's a Velveeta cheese slice, and I'm just going to sandwich it up, and that's going to be the main part of my breakfast. And then on the side here I just have some strawberries, just a handful of strawberries, and there's also some blueberries in there, just a couple of those as well. And that is going to be my breakfast. I am not doing any coffee today, which I know is like blasphemous, but I haven't been into coffee as much since I can't have my sweet creamer that I like. I mean, I could have it, but then I don't get to eat as much, and I'd rather eat my points than drink them, so I might have a cup of coffee later if I find that I'm really craving the caffeine, but for now I'm just going to stick with my water. I have it in my little water bottle here, and yeah, that is going to be breakfast. Alright, my friends, it is lunchtime. It's almost 2 p.m. And for lunch today, I have a little wrap. This is one of the Olay Extreme Wellness, high fiber, low carb, whatever it is, the tortillas. And inside there, I have a tablespoon of the Great Value whip topping. It's like Miracle Whip, only, you know, Great Value brand. I have a serving of the Oscar Mayer Natural Turkey. There's a I can't talk today. Sorry, you guys. There is a Velveeta cheese single in there, and there's some lettuce, and I just kind of rolled it up and cut it in half. I also have some cucumber slices here, which smell so good. And I have one serving of the Great Value cheesy crunch snacks. These are like crunchy Cheetos, but again, just the store brand. And that is lunch. Alright, you guys, dinner time. I made a spiral sliced ham in my roaster. I cannot even begin to tell you guys how good this smells. So I have about 5 ounces here, a little bit less than 5 ounces. I also have some butternut squash that I roasted. I just cut it in half, removed the seeds, sprayed a little bit of olive oil spray on there, and roasted it in the oven for about an hour, and then just scooped it out with a spoon. Nothing super fancy there, but it's so good. And then I have a big serving of steamed broccoli on the side, and that is dinner. Alright, you guys, well, it's the end of the evening now, and I looked, and I still have plenty of points left. I don't want to be too far under my point goal for the day, so I decided to have a snack, and I'm taking some inspiration from Molly over at Classically Molly. She's been talking about these pretzel crisps with these Laughing Cow cheese wedges. It's a little bit different than what she's been doing. I think she's got the garden vegetable something or another flavor of the pretzel crisps. I couldn't find those, so I hit the garlic parmesan. And typically I would use a Laughing Cow light cheese wedge, but when I placed my grocery order at Walmart, they substituted the original. So I'm going to use that. Have a serving of these. I'm going to weigh it out on my little food scale here. I've also got some Gatorade Zero, and that is going to finish my night.